Hello, welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Here I have a 2012 Ford Territory Ghia turbo diesel all-wheel drive. Have a bit of a tap on the front. We've just got it going. Had to pull it apart and resurrect it. We'll just jump around here. We'll get some details and we'll start it up for you. There's, I think it's 182,000 Ks. It's fine for diesel. Come up 182654. I'll just start it up now. Got the sat nav in there somewhere, I think. All the leather, 7-seater. Seats in the back down there somewhere. Walk around. Tailgate, just a little mark on the tailgate there. A little bruise. A bit wavy on the doors. Headlight. So there you have it, one Ford Territory for dismantling at Narellan Auto Parts Plus. We'll just sneak in here and see if we can read the compliance plate details. A bit awkward, but they're there. Okay. Alright, we'll move on. Alright. If you need any Territory parts or any other car parts that are give us a call on the number on the wall. It's up there in the air, 0246461 733. We're here to help you out with all your car part needs. Okay, thanks for watching and bye for now.